mai koutou, ko Oliver aho, I am Oliver.
And Moratoro Winton School, Kor Riley aho, I am Riley. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Lahaina, the 13th of March.
Okay, let's start the day with tidiest class news. Can we have a drum roll, please? 3 weeks in a row, well done to room 3 and 4s. You guys rock!
Okay, let's get into the kupu or te wiki. This week's word is Akomanga, which is te reo for classroom.
As in, hey, what Akomanga are you in this year?
I'm in room 11.
We hope to see you using the word this week.
Ka pai. On to health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is low to moderate from 11 till 2.
And now potae is still required from 11. Kia ora.
Hi VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise. Happy birthday to Brianna in room 13. Have a great day.
Spark starts in room 1 today. Welcome to Winton School, Tyrone. We hope you have the best first day at our school.
Well done to everyone on Friday. You guys did great. Here are some running highlights.
No way I was catching the ball.
If you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite a popo. See you tomorrow.
Airera and stay sharp, Winton School.
Yeah.